Hi everyone, my name is Angela and I'm one of the customer service reps here at Policy Buff Inc. And I'm here today to talk to you about the AlienBees Flash Units. The AlienBees are very easy to use, lightweight, you get a great bang for your buck, so they're very popular with everyone from amateurs to professionals alike. And we have 3 different models. I have the B800 here today, but we do have a B400 and a B1600. They're different outputs. The B400 is a 160 watt second light. The B800 that I have here is a 320 watt second light, and the B1600 is a 640 watt second light. The AlienBees come in a variety of colors. For today's video, I'm going to be demoing the B800 in green, but whether you get the B400, the B800, or the B1600, they'll all operate the exact same way. So let's get started. So when you first pull the AlienBee out of the box, you'll need to adjust the ratchet handle so that you can install it on a light stand. To do this, you'll just want to gently press the button, and you can freely move the ratchet handle back and forth. So when you get it where you want it, you just let go, and then it will stay there. And then all you have to do is just turn the ratchet handle like so, and then you can pull out the light stand mount at that point, just like this. So now that you've got the stand mount pulled out, what you'll want to do is make sure that the T-screw is cleared so that you can install the stand mount on the light stand itself. So what you want to do is just unscrew it just a little bit here so that it's cleared, and then just install it on the light stand like this. Now you'll want to tighten the T-screw down onto the light stand so that it's secure. And then you'll also want to take your power cord. It's a 15-foot power cord that comes included with the unit. Just plugs right into the back panel like this. And now we want to remove the black shipping cover. It's very important that we remove this prior to turning the light on because it can melt. It is not heat resistant. And the way you want to do that is you just take the 2 black antennae on the top of the unit, squeeze them in gently, and the cap will come off like this. The AlienBees come with 2 different bulbs. They come with a flash tube and a modeling bulb. The flash tube is pre-installed in the unit. The modeling bulb comes in a separate box, but it's easy to install. It just installs like a standard light bulb. It has an Edison base. You can purchase just your own bulb if you'd like to. It's just anything 150 watt or less, as long as it's a standard Edison base quartz or halogen bulb. And it just screws in like this. So now we're going to go over the features of the back panel of the AlienBees. To power it on, press the power switch here. There is a 6 f-stop stepless power slider on the back. If you have it all the way to the left, it's at the lowest output, which is at 1/32 power. There is a 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, half, and then if you slide it all the way to the right, you'll have it at full power. The 3 buttons on the back panel will control the modeling bulb. To turn the modeling bulb on, press the on button here. And if you adjust your flash output, if the modeling bulb is on, it will stay on at full power regardless of where you have your slider. Now, if you wanted to track along with your flash output, you can press in the track button here. So if you adjust your flash output, then the modeling bulb will dim and brighten along with your flash. If you press in the cycle button, this is a visual indicator that the light is ready to fire again. So if you fire the light, the modeling bulb will go out and come back on to let you know that it's ready to fire once again. So the green OK light is a visual indicator to let you know that the light is ready to fire. If you lower the output, you'll see the red dump light come on the unit, and that is where the flash unit is dumping the additional power that it has. But if you want to, you can actually physically dump it yourself. You can just hit the test button and you'll see the green indicator light will come on. The AlienBees have a 1/8 inch sink jack on the back panel here. They also all come included with a 15-foot sink cord, which I have in my hand. Just plug the 1/8 inch end of the sink cord into the jack right here. The other end will plug into your camera's PC sync terminal. Now, not all cameras have this feature, so if you're unsure if your camera has a PC sync terminal, you'll want to refer to your camera manual. You'll notice there's a slave eye next to the sink jack, which is automatically disabled as long as you have something plugged into the sink jack. To enable the slave eye, we just remove the sink cord here. The slave eye will cause the AlienBee to fire if any other flashes in the vicinity fire. So if you have a multi-light setup, you can plug your sync cord into one light and all of the other lights will fire via that slave eye on the back panel. Some photographers prefer not to rely on the slave eye for triggering multiple units. So in that case, you can use any remote system like our Cyber Syncs and plug it directly into the sync jack here for firing the lights. There's also a remote jack here, and that is for controlling the units with our Cyber Commander. And so when you use the remote jack to control it with one of our Plus model receivers, it disables the back panel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions, you're free to call us at 1-800-443-5542. We're available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central. You can also shoot us an email at info@paulcbuff.com. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Paul C. Buff Inc. And if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel and you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.